Hi everyone, in this video we're going to look at the unit price. So remember, a unit rate is a rate where one of the terms in the ratio is 1. If a unit rate involves the price of an item, it is then called the unit price. To find the unit price, you're going to divide the amount of money by the amount of the item we're dealing with. So here's an example. 2 liters of soda costs $3.80. Find the unit price. So to find the unit price, I'm going to take the amount of money, $3.80, and I'm dividing it by the amount of soda that we get, which they told us was 2 liters. Use my calculator to divide it out. So I'm dividing 380 by 2, and the unit price is $1.90. Remember to write money to the hundredths per liter. Okay, and what's nice about unit rates and unit prices is you can use them to figure out which is a better buy. So find each unit price and determine the better buy. Then write an equation relating the two quantities. So paper, we can buy 100 sheets of paper for 99 cents, or we can buy 500 sheets for $4.29. So let's look at the first option. So we're going to take the 99 cents and divide it by the 100 sheets. When I divide that out, we're getting 0.0099 dollars per sheet. And in our money system, we would then round this, so it would be, with rounding, 1 cent per sheet. Looking at the second option, we have $4.29 for 500 sheets. So I'm going to use my calculator to again divide that out. I'm getting 0.00858 dollars per sheet. And again, if we round it in our context of money, this would also round to 1 cent per sheet. So because they both rounded to the same amount, we have to look at the values before rounding to figure out which is the better deal. And the one with the lower unit price before rounding is the 500 sheets for $4.29. So the better deal, or the better buy, is 500 sheets for $4.29. Now the other part of the question is they want us to come up with an equation. So I'm going to use N for the number of sheets and D for the number of dollars. So for the first option. So actually I'm going to use C will be the cost in dollars, and N will be the number of sheets. And we're actually going to use the rounded answer here. So for each option, the equation is going to be the exact same. 1 cent times the number of sheets will give me the cost. And that's also the same thing for option 2. Okay, mechanical pencils. 4 pencils for $1.25 or 25 pencils for $5.69. So again, we're going to look at the unit price. So for the first option, I'm dividing $1.25 by 4 pencils. Okay, use my calculator. I'm getting, before rounding, 0.3125 dollars per pencil. And in our context of money, rounding it, it would round to 31 cents per pencil. Looking at our second option, $5.69 for 25 pencils. Finding that unit price. Again, before rounding, 0.2276 dollars per pencil. In our context, rounding it, it would round to 23 cents per pencil. So in this case, we can see that the second option had a lower unit price. So $5.69 for 25 pencils is the better buy. Okay, and now we have to come up with our equations. So I'm going to let C be the cost in terms of dollars. I'm going to let N be the number of pencils. For option 1, I'm using my rounded answers now for the equations. So for option 1, it was 23 cents per pencil. So C equals 0.23 times N. Or 31 cents, sorry. And change that to 0.31 times N. And for option 2, my equation, C equals, and that was the 23 cents times the number of pencils. I hope this video helps you. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.